Hello everyone, it's Chloe here and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another makeup tutorial. Obviously you guys already know what today's video is, but today's video is going to be another album inspired makeup tutorial. Basically this series is where I base off a eyeshadow look or a face tutorial, I guess, on one of my favorite album covers. So today is going to be the new Harry Styles album Fine Line. It's been out for quite a while, but I think I can do something really creative with this because the main colors are very vibrant. There's pink and mainly blue. It's mainly those two colors, but I'm probably going to do blue, pink and silver because like his pants are white. But as you can see, I already have my base and brows on. I used to do this so often back in the day, but I wanted to purely focus on the eyes today. And once the intro is done, I'll tell you what I use. I use basically the same things anyway, but I'm actually pretty excited. I really hope this goes well because I have to film another video after this. But if you want to know how I create my Fine Line inspired makeup tutorial, just keep on watching.
1, 2, 3, let's go!
Like I said at the start, I have got my base and brows on. I'm just going to tell you what I used. I pretty much used everything I usually use in all my other tutorials, so if you've watched them you know what I used, but I'm going to tell you anyway. Foundation today was the Rimmel London Lasting Finish 25 Hour Foundation. My shade is in number 10 Light Porcelain. I actually really like this. And then concealer is nothing new. I used the Magic Star Concealer by Jeffree Star in C4. And then I set all of that with the Coty Airspun in Transparent. I love this stuff to death. And then my brows are the Essence Brow Duo in medium. Now we're going to start on with the eyes. I'm actually very excited. I'm going to obviously start with my P.Louise base. I'm going to use P.Louise base in 0.5 like always. You guys know the dealio. I always bloody use this. So I'm just going to put that on my eye as my base today. So I use the Morphe M4110 to blend it out and carve my brows out. And then to blend it out completely so I can put eyeshadow on top, I use the Morphe 173, which is the Dome for Concealer brush. So I want to grab my little peak mirror. But I'm going to grab the first Morphe brush and just spread that all around my eyelid just to get an even base, and also I'm going to carve my brow out at the same time. I feel like I should be talking to you guys, but like I don't know what to talk about because usually I talk to you guys during my face routine, but I just skipped that today, so that's going to be fun to make up with conversation. Yeah, so I'm now going to blend it out with that concealer brush, just dabbing it in so I can have a perfect base. My voice is really croaky today. I do apologize. It's going to be worse later on because I'm filming so many videos today. I'm currently filming this video. I'm also going to be filming a clothing haul, and I'm also vlogging this week, so I've been talking quite a lot. So now I need to find a palette because I haven't actually figured out what palette to use. The main goal is to do pink and blue, but I want to kind of add a bit of purple in there because purple will blend everything together really well. Now the only problem is some of the pinks I have are red base, which is not going to be cute because that's not the point of the album cover. I'm going to use a mix between these two palettes today. I'm going to use Jawbreaker by Jeffree Star and the James Charles palette by Morphe. I think I'm more leaning towards the Morphe one because the Jeffree Star one has more pastels. I want it to be very vibrant, so I feel like this is going to be more of a safe bet for that. But if I need to, I'll go into this, but I'll probably just use this. But either way, I'll tell you what I'm using. I don't know how to start. I think I might do the pink first. What I'm aiming for is the pink's going to be on the outer corner and then the blue's going to be in the corner. I'm going to blend it together with a bit of purple and then cut the crease and put a shimmery silver on top. I think I'm going to look stunning, and hopefully Harry Styles approves it. He has no idea I exist. This is the James Charles palette, if no one's wondering. Everyone should know what this is. This was the biggest craze ever. I think for the pink, I'm going to use Skip, which is this very vibrant pink down the bottom. And for the blue, I think I'm going to use this one up here, which is Playground. And then I think for the shimmer, I might get the shimmer from the Jawbreaker palette, but I'm going to start with the crease shades and then we'll work from there. I'm going to grab that pink shade. I'm kind of nervous because I feel like everyone knows Harry Styles' album. This is very scary, so I'm going to grab that color. I'm pretty sure I've used this color before and it stains my eyelids, so that's not very fun, is it? So I'm going to grab my mirror. You're probably going to see this very often. I do apologize. I might zoom in a bit more. You're getting up close and personal today. I'm going to focus it on the outer corner and just the outer corner, nowhere else, because I will blend it into a purple and a blue. So I just want to like put the colors on and then I'm going to blend it very well. So I'm going to put this on the outer corner. Oh my god, I forgot how pigmented this was. I'm going to put this on the outer corner. Just going to pat it in. So I want the pigment to show up because as soon as I start blending these colors, the pigmentation is going to go away. And I don't want that, obviously. So I'm just going to pack this into the base that I put on. Slightly blend it into the crease area. It's a really pretty color though, not going to lie. I usually hate pink, so like this is kind of shocking for me. So now I'm going to start focusing this on just the crease, because like I said, I'm going to cut my crease and put silver on the lid. So I'm not putting anything on the lid except silver. I really want to focus this on the lid and try my best, because I actually was going to do just a pink eye and a blue eye, but I thought that was a bit too safe. I want to expand my horizons with this series, which just sounds stupid, but majority of the time I always just do the normal like cut crease or like a halo eye or just something very, very simple. I love broadening out into different techniques, especially with makeup, so I love to just try out different things, which is what we're doing. I don't think I've done a look like this before. Maybe I have, I'm not sure. Anyway, so on a small brush, this is the Morphe Jack and Hill brush number 36, and I'm going to grab Pinkity Drinkity, which I hate that name, which is a very light pale pink, and I'm going to blend out the edges of the pink. I'm not going to focus too much on this because I will go back and fix it, and I'm going to highlight my brow bone anyway a bit later on, so I'm just going to like blend it as best I can right now, and I'll fix it up a bit later. It's not the best, but again, like I said, I'm going to go back and forward with these colors and we'll see where it takes us. So now I'm going to go with the blue. I'm not excited because I like blue, but like it scares the living shit out of me. I'm going to grab Playground on a Morphe 433 brush, and I'm going to focus that in the inner corner, and then I'm just going to blend them all together. Oh, this looks cool! I'm just tapping this into my crease. I'm mostly focusing on the crease because I am going to be cutting the lid, like I've said multiple times. So I'm just going to be focusing that in the crease so I can get the pigmentation that I need. I'm going to slowly broad this into the pink halfway through, and then I'm going to grab the pink, blend the pink in, and it kind of will naturally turn to a purple, I reckon. But if it's a shitty purple, I'll just add a bit more purple myself. Just going to slowly blend this in, then grab the same brush I was using for the pink, grab a little bit more pink, not too much, and I'm going to slowly blend that into the blue as well. They're just forming their little alliance on my eyelid. This tutorial is basically me going back and forth between two colors, trying to blend them so well that it won't look like shit, you know what I mean? It's turning into purple, and I have like this random circle of purple, so I think to blend it together I will need to do purple because this is looking a bit ratchet if you ask me. Is there a purple in the Jawbreaker palette? Okay, so the only thing is with the Jawbreaker palette, the purple is very, very pastel, but I think it's going to be good because I don't want it to be overpowering, because I want the pink and the blue to be the main statement, because that's what it is on the album cover. So I'm going to grab this as a gumdrop, and I'm just going to grab a bit of this from the Jawbreaker palette. I'm going to put that in the center, lightly blend them together, just so there's like not really a harsh line. It still looks kind of shit, but again, I'm going to go back in with the blue, back in with the pink, and I'm just going to work my way up to how I want it. So this is going to take a while, but I feel like it's going to look really cute. Now a bit more of the blue. So I just feel like there's like a circle of purple, which is not what I want. I don't know if you can see, you can definitely tell on camera, but it's not really what I want because it's very hard to blend blue and pink together without making purple. Like, it's literally impossible. It's very, very hard for me to do this look because I don't really want any purple in my eye. I don't think there's any purple on the album cover at all, so I'm a bit confused on how to fix this. We'll have to make do with what we have. Okay, well, this is what's happening so far. I love the color combo, I really do. I just don't really know if I've executed it very well. We're gonna cut the crease and we'll see how it goes from there. I'm gonna grab the P.Louise base in 0, which is a pure white one, and as soon as I do that, I'm gonna use the Jawbreaker palette, and I'm gonna use Jawbreaker itself, which is a white shimmery shade. It's like more of an iridescent, kind of like green, but it's very, very pretty on the lid, so I'm gonna use that. I'm gonna grab my little crease brush thing, I don't even know what to call it. I'm gonna coat that shit in P.Louise base, and I'm gonna cut my crease. I'm not gonna talk during this because I'm gonna mess it up if I do, but I'm just gonna cut my crease like always. Okay, so that is basically what the look looks like. It actually looks kind of good with white, but I do want that shimmery aspect of it. So I'm gonna grab a flat shaded brush, and I'm gonna grab that color from Jawbreaker and put it all over my lid. So I'm just gonna put that right where the P.Louise base is and set everything in place. Okay, it's not bad. I just don't know if I like it. What I feel like does me with every look I do, but I'm gonna go back and forth with these two colors and just kind of increase the pigment in the crease because I have lost a bit of that. So I'm just gonna go back and forth between the blue and the pink. It looks good on my eye, but I feel like on the camera and like in the mirror it looks bad, but like looking here it looks fine, but from far away it looks worse. Usually it's the opposite. I don't know what's happening. Okay, we're gonna move on. I'm gonna put a little bit of eyeliner on, not too much because there's like a lot happening on my eyeball. So I'm just gonna use my eyeliner pen, nothing new. I'm just gonna do a small line across my lid and a little bit of a wing. I don't want to do too much. That is probably the smallest eyeliner wing I've ever done in my entire life. Now that this is kind of coming together, I'm gonna go off camera and do the other eye and put some lashes on, and then we'll start with the face. I haven't done bronzer or anything, so I want to do a lot more blush than I usually do because there's a lot of pink in the album cover. I'm gonna do the exact same thing on this eye, just with some lashes, and then I'll come back. We will finish off this look because I'm actually kind of excited, kind of hating it, kind of loving it, who knows. Okay friends, I am back with both eyes done. I just did my lower lash line. I just did the same pink and the blue and blended a little bit of the purple in the center so it didn't look as harsh. The lashes I'm wearing are Supernova lashes in Galaxy, but this is the eye. I don't know if I like it. I think I do, but I think I don't. But I'm going to start with my face now. Like contour, bronzer, all that jazz. So basically everything's going to be the same. I'm just going to put a lot more blush on because I want it to be more pink based. For contour, I'm going to use the Hoola Bronzer by Benefit. I love this stuff. So I'm just going to contour my face. This is the Morphe E48 brush. I love a really contoured and bronze face. That's why I use so much product. Because once I put blush on, it kind of loses a bit of the bronze look. So I do put a lot on because I know that when I do the blush and stuff, it's going to go away. Now for bronzer, this is the Chocolate Heart Bronzer by I Love Revolution. I bloody live off this stuff. I love to add a lot of this because I love shimmery bronzers. Like I said before, it does go away when I put blush on. So I like to put a lot of this stuff on. Okay, so now I'm going to go with my blush. I'm just going to use my normal blush. I love shimmery blushes as well. This is the Bobbi Brown Illuminating Bronzing Powder in Maui 3. I always use this. Is the Morphe M405. I'm just going to tap that on my brush and also tap it on my cheeks. And of course I have to do it on my nose because I love blush on the nose. I'm going to add a lot of this because the eyeshadow is a lot pink, so I want my cheeks to kind of match like so. It looks crazy, but once I put highlighter on, it's going to kind of die down. And for highlighter, everybody asks me what I use. This is Ofra Glazed Donut. This is Nikki Tutorials collab. This is literally my holy grail, and I've hit pan, so I need to buy more. And I feel like this highlighter is going to be really good with this album cover look because there is white accents in the album cover, so I feel like the highlighter will kind of be that aspect of it. And then I just grab a smaller brush and do my nose. I love nose highlighter. The button of my nose is the cutest thing ever, so I love to highlight the shit out of it. I've been doing this kind of recently. I've been grabbing the Jaclyn Hill Morphe brush number 10, grabbing a little bit excess powder that I left over from baking, and I'm going to be baking under my contour. I just love how sharp it can make my contour look, even more than it actually is. So I'm going to leave that in for a second while I do my lip color. So I'm just going to go with natural because there's so much going on. So I'm going to go with Can't Relate, but I'm just going to put this on. Okay, it's a bit light, so maybe I'll add something else to it. So I'm just going to be adding a little bit of thicker thieves in the center just to make it a bit more darker than it actually is. Oh, okay, cute. So I'm going to go off camera, fix my hair a bit, and then I'm going to come back and finish with the video for you guys. I'm back. Anyway, guys, that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this Harry Styles. Jesus Christ! Why are you all scaring me today? So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this Harry Styles Fine Line inspired album makeup tutorial. Is that what I call it? I wasn't really liking how the purple was turning out, but at the end I kind of blended it a little bit more than I should have, and it turned out pretty good. So I really like it. It's kind of different for me. I don't really do looks like this. Well, I kind of do, but I kind of don't. But guys, that is the end of this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you haven't seen my other two inspired makeup tutorials, I'll leave them linked down below. I'll make a playlist for you guys. It's a lot easier. Let me know what album you want me to do next. But I hope you guys still enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up for me. All my social media links and all the products I used in today's video will be linked down below like always. If you're new here, please subscribe. I make 2 videos a week, guys, every Monday and Thursday. And that's pretty much it, everybody. Remember to spread love and stay positive, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, everyone.